Standard filters in Google Sheets are tiny, gray, and honestly quite annoying to use. Every time you want to change your view, you have to dig into these small, clunky menus and check tiny boxes. It's slow and it ruins the flow of your presentation. Stop the manual clicking. There's a much better way to build a real dashboard. Slicers. These are visual filter buttons that act like a professional remote control for your entire spreadsheet. Let's set them up properly. First, I always create a dedicated control area. I'm adding a new row at the very top and freezing it. This is a pro-level move because it ensures your filter buttons stay pinned to the top of the screen even if you're scrolling through thousands of rows of data. Just drag your slicer right into that top row. Now, let's focus on the aesthetics. Professional dashboards need clean branding. Most people leave these buttons gray, but we're switching to a premium color palette. I'm using specific hex codes to match the official Google Sheets style and changing the font to Lexend for better readability. I'll put these exact codes in the description so your sheets can look just like mine. Watch the magic in action. Just click the button, select a category, and your data updates instantly. It turns a boring database into an interactive app that anyone can use without breaking your formulas. No more messy menus, just pure data magic. Upgrade your spreadsheets today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Master Google Sheets in 60 seconds. Subscribe now.